go. 2019-20 Select Basketball. First off the line, box break number 7. We'll do 7 and 8 in this video. Get the Prizm Retail, the hanger, and 2 blasters on there as well. Venus, Dangling Fury. I like it. Go Dogs, Pals, Cornerback Hugh, River City, C. Gross. Remember, if you guys don't hit something out of the break or don't have any cards, I always toss something else in there for you guys as well. Plus, you guys your rewards points. People are hitting Trey Silvers out of those Prizm packs that are in the from 18-19 Prizm packs. So I'll get that loaded up. I'll get some more stuff up there for you guys as well. That's my goal for tomorrow. I have a boatload of sorting to do, and I got to figure out what the hell we're gonna do tomorrow. I'm just joking. I got a pretty good idea, but like I said, it's always challenging because basketball sells out so fast that. Oh yeah. Anyway, all right, Wendell. There's a nice little chip shot. Green, Braun. Take that. Go Ducks. Admiral. Tobias Harris, silver. Pull a few Jazz. Hakeem the Dream. Gafford and Nikhil Alexander Walker. Carson Edwards and Rudy Gobert. Get out of here, dude. He ain't looking for you right now, Rudy. All right. Mafundu over to the Clippers. Twan Moore. Green guy. Carson Edwards. Jordan Poole. Matisse and Ty Jerome silver. Get out of here, Ty. Hey, yo, I'll take a little base Zion. That's 135 bones. Right there, Venus. Throw it down. Just like that. Kobe White. Take the 135 and run with it, right? All right. So, Blaster, you did do your job there. I like it. Now do your job in the hanger and the retail. So, we are in the select, first off the line, number 7, but paired it nicely with some Prizm hangers and all kinds of good stuff. All right, let's see what we get out of the hanger here. Do we get another auto? Oh, be the one. Be the one. And Keith Van Horn to the Nets? What? Come on, Keith. Really nice hit to the Nets, though. Mr. Doodles, Rudy Gay, Gary Harris, Sabonis, Paul Pierce, Mo Bamba. Oh, God, Jordan Poole. Get me all nervous. There's another Zion for you. A little chip shot. Ty Jerome silver. Oh, dude, but another auto out of the hanger stuff. I ain't even mad about it. All right, retail. Then, first off the line. We just got one more football break, which is the last of Encased. Encased looked good yesterday, man. I'm glad we cracked a little bit more than the other stuff. I still think we should bust the snot out of Panini 1, but that's just me talking out loud. I don't know. All right. Serge Ibaka, Isaiah Roby. Cam Reddish, silver, Davidas Servidis, the Pistons. PJ Washington. Basley, Jalen McDaniels. Zach LaVine and a Rui Hachimura. Nasir Little. Dylan Windler. Troy Brown. Jonathan Isaac, DeAndre Hunter. Brandon Clark, Emergent. Blake Griffin and Ty Jerome. All right. Still got some more to go. Yep. The other Luka, but still silver. And I'll take it. And I'm sure River City will take that as well. Jonas, Cam Reddish. The Mailman, Karl Malone. Let's see one of those pink pulsars, right? Or a purple pulsar. That's what we need to get. Get a little jolt here. Okay. RJ Barrett, Quindary Witherspoon. Giannis, silver. And what? Strommel Swift to the Grizz. He was just as confused when they asked him to sign that. He was just as confused. He's like, what? So anyway. Romeo Langford and Rajon Rondo and Ignis. Okay, now we go to the select. So we got one more round of the first off the line. Let me jump over to in case Iceman. Night Brian, thanks for looking at the break. Yeah, Iceman, you saw my email, right? And so yeah, whenever you take a look at that, just knock it out in the email. You bet. Okay, Romeo Langford and a Bradley Beal out of 175. Cam Reddish Rook. Uh-oh. How about this Pulsar? Grant Williams. Who's got Boston? River City. How about Grant Williams Pulsar patch? And that is going to be 4 out of 8. Yay. Alonzo Trier Scope, Culver. A Tristan, dude, I'm getting a zebra out of first off a line? I'll take it. Who's got the Cavs? Cleveland. Okay. The email was black? That doesn't make any sense. I sent the link over there, so if you, I sent the link of the video so that you guys could watch it and let me know. I don't know why the emails don't go through to you. It's so weird. All right, D'Angelo Russell. Grant Williams. Kyrie, tie-dye. 7 out of 25. And a Jarrett Culver back over to Minnesota. DC William. Jalen LeCue out of 149. RJ Barrett, Tyler Hero, Justin Robinson. 299. And, dang, take a little gold Derrick Rose now. Who's got Detroit? Lambeau Leap with Detroit. 2 out of 10, Derrick Rose. Okay. Nice 3-color patch in there. That looks good. That's a hell of a box here so far. And I think we still have... Do we hit a Zebra Gold Pulsar Auto out of 8? That means, is there a Pulsar left? The link was blank. Oh, man. Yeah, I don't... Okay. Yeah. Well, luckily it's the free reward stuff, so you'll have to give me a little bit of time to look into it, bud. All right, here's Paul George over to the Clippers. 8 out of 13. So over to those Clippers. So that's not a bad box. So first off a line with gold, zebra, patch autos. So not bad. All right, we'll jump right into number 8 of the select first off the line. Let me get that printed out here right quick. Yeah, there was a link in there, Iceman. I promise you. There was a link in there, buddy. All right, but like I said, hey Ice, I gotta do it later, buddy. I gotta keep this rolling, man, so I can grab some sleep, man. Okay. Okay. So select first off the line. All right. Okay. All right. So here we go. 2019 Select Basketball. First off the line, box break number 8. You got the Prizm Retail, the hanger, blasters. Yes, the whole thing. So Hugh 1701 up top, DC. Just 1054. Paulie BG Kerr. JC Barfly 76. River City Gambler. Me Taylor. Cornerback DC. Short fade. Go Ducks. JC Barfly. DC. Danglin Fury. The whole crew. I know. Getting late on a Friday. All right. Friday morning? Yes, Friday morning. It's Thursday. All right, Blasters. Let's see if we can do a little something. Last time it was a nice Zion-based Rook, which actually I'm okay with those. Need more trash cans. All right, Grant Williams and a Radonis. It's all right. Just trying to get that free stuff, the free rewards breaks all figured out. But like I said, it's always easier. I can't really do any like customer service stuff while I'm doing the breaks. So, but it's good reminders. But yeah, emails and that kind of stuff that can help. Okay. So nothing wild out of first blaster here. We'll do the second one. So we got the encased football coming up directly after this. And that's pretty quick, the encased football, and then we'll jump over to those. I'm telling you, the sellers, man. I'm geared up. I ain't even mad about it. I'm ready. Here's George Dang. And Tristan Thompson. Here's Cody Martin. Devin Booker. Man, I want to see a purple wave. Zion in my face. Or Ja. Doesn't matter. Either or. Alright, last blaster here. DeMar DeRozan. Okay. Alright, Hanger. Let's see what you got. Sorry if I'm keeping my head down and not looking at the chat right now, just because, like I said, still got a good bit to go here, so I want to make sure to keep things moving for you guys. All right, hanger box. You got that orange ice in here. Let's make it happen. All right. So you got Victor Oladipo, Karl Malone, Gary Harris, Joe, and Cody Martin, and a Jarrett Allen, Cam Reddish, Nasir Little, and a Nick Claxton. All right. Orange Ice I love them. I do. I really do love them. Okay, but they're tough to hit. No wonder that Zion's like $500, $600, $700 or whatever it is. All right, knock out the retail, then the select first off the line, which has been treating us pretty well too. I'll see if I can get some more regular select for us. And Charles Barkley, Admiral Schofield. Yeah. Miles Turner. Sounds about right, Jay Scoot. How about Kurt Rambis? Make it silver though. Those goofy glad. Look at his chest hair getting up in it. All right, Quindarius Witherspoon, Daniel Gafford. And Shuma, Jared Culver. Dylan Windler, Carson Edwards. I swear I've seen so much Boston tonight. It's been out of control. But if you have Boston. Thonmaker. Matisse Thybulle. Oh, I see a Zion base. I'm going to take it. 135. Hugh, 1701. Kyle Kuzma. Let me take those Zions all day. Kevin Looney Bird. De'Aaron Fox. And Rui. Eric Paschal. Okay. All right. So another Zion coming out. We still got a couple more retail. Then we go to the select first off the line. Appreciate you guys hanging in there. I know. Pack intensive, but yep. Oh, Keldon Johnson, silver, and Jalen Noel. See that black background? I think it's gonna be his own. I'm just saying. All right, Brandon Clark and a Justin James over to the Kings. Matisse Thybulle, green guy, and a nice Kobe White rook. Kemba Walker. Frank the Tank. And Rui, Jordan Bone. 3 packs ago. Oh, a little John Morant in there now. Okay. So Job Base getting in there for DC. There you go, buddy. Georgia Dang. When a base card can get you 50, you got to take it. All right, Jackson Hayes and a Luka. All right. Well, we go to the first off line. It's crazy that a base Zion and a base Ja can save a retail box. Crazy. Unbelievable. All right. So select first off the line. Here we go. After this, we'll do encased football, the 4-boxer, the last one. And then we got those, the quad boxes, the cello and the retail. Just prepping these fingers to make it happen. All right, Bowl. Jaron Jackson, Trey Bird over to Atlanta. 101 out of 249. Who's got Atlanta? That's Juice. There you go. Cam Reddish, Phenoms, silver. Bam Adebayo, tri-color. DeAndre Ayton out of 199. Nikhil Alexander Walker. I know what it is. I got Power Up. You got an 8 out of 10 out of select earlier today. Nice. How about a Claxton over to Brooklyn? D. Noyce There you go. 8 out of 35. Claxton, Pulsar. Then a Thibault. Nice, man. Yep, there's $70 right there. Q1701. Got at least 200 on the break so far. Admiral Schofield. With 2 base Zions. That's how crazy it is. All right, well, we got the Pulsar. Make it happen. We'll slow roll here. Yep. Hey, I like it. Me Taylor. Take that Kobe White. Pulsar. 3 out of 13. There you go. So Kobe White, Pulsar, 3 out of 13. I like it like that. There you go. And I'm sure Me Taylor likes it too. All right? Yayo. All right. Uh-oh. Hey now, how about a die cut John Morant? DC William. 161 out of 175 die cut. Red John Morant. I like that. Okay, I see you select first off a line. Where was this out of the regular select? You got PJ Washington over to the Hornets. Jimmy Butler scope. Chris Paul, and that'll be out of 299 over to OKC. Couple more. Yay. Yep. Then Ty Jerome auto. Out of 99, Cameron Johnson, silver. And another Kobe White for your collection there. Last pack. We should have what? Another Pulsar, right? Did we not get the... Is that 2 times in a row? Here's DeMar DeRozan. All right, let's double check it. Make sure. Because there are 2 Pulsars in here. That's what should be in here. We had a Ty Jerome instead of a Pulsar. That doesn't count. Yep. Looks like... No, we had the Nicholas Claxton. That's right. Jeez. Completely forgot. All right, good. All right, good. They were in there. Well, I'm telling you, because yesterday we got the short end of the stick one time. All right. Let's go over... Let's go to encased football. All right.